to buy the best thing channel. Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 best MOP cleaning robots currently on the market. We get started with our video. We have included a link in the description box for each product mentioned. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1, Braava Jet. From quick spills and spots to weekly and tire floor mopping, the Braava Jet registered M6 robot mops like you would, using the precision jet spray to help tackle sticky messes and kitchen grease. Keep the messiest areas of your home fresh while leaving the tricky areas alone. Braava Jet registered M6 robot mop knows the study from the sofas thanks to smart mapping. So you can make clean zones to direct cleaning to high traffic areas and keep out zones to avoid certain spots, like pet food bowls. Number 2, ILIFE SHINEBOT W400. If you've had enough of manually mopping floors and are in the market for a keenly priced robot mopper that performs better than most pad-based mopping bots, the ILIFE SHINEBOT W400 might just be up your alley. Just be aware that it isn't anything like as autonomous as the majority of its higher-end competitors. Number 3, everybpt RS700. The new floor robotic mopping robot cleaner can improve the cleaning performance and overcome the disadvantage of general wheel structures on hard floor. You don't have to worry about the RS700 being stuck from obstacles such as wires, hair, and clothes. Wipe dirt and stains perfectly by using dual spin mops and optimized mopping cleaning modes. 2 powerful 5700 RPM motors can capture harmful fine dust and eliminate scribbling on floor. Number 4, the ILIFE V5s Pro. Turned in one of the best cleaning performances we've seen, but it's also on the slow side. The overall cleaning score of 94.8 edged out our favorite overall robot vacuum, the ILIFE's ability to pick up dog hair. However, the ILIFE V3s Pro was an even more thorough cleaner, at 97%. In our lab tests, the V5s Pro vacuumed up 97.3% of all pet hair on hardwood and carpet. Much better than the R85, 88%, and the RoboVac 11s, 67.5%. However, the faster and less expensive ILIFE V3s Pro was the best overall performer, picking up an average of 99.5% of pet hair on both surfaces. Number 5. Roborock E20. Efficient and intelligent, fast cleaning, no random bumping. A dual Euro system and motion tracking sensors create a high-efficiency cleaning path for every room. Trap prevention, self-charging and resumption. Thorough cleaning, 2000 pascals suction and automatic carpet boost provides the power you need to pull dust and hairs lodged in carpets. Vacuum and mop, choose to just vacuum, or vacuum and mop your home at the same time for a complete clean. Water is sucked naturally into the mop as it cleans, eliminating puddling. Large dustbin, a 640 milliliters dustbin stores more debris, meaning it can be emptied less often.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.